Welcome to Camping with Brian. I hope everybody's doing well. The time just now is roughly about 7:15 in the evening. It's beautiful. Just to let you know, guys, I'm doing a stealth camp this evening, okay, in this woodland area. It's actually with the 3 metre by 3 metre DD tarp and also a camp cot or camp bed. The camp bed is 180 by 60 by 19 centimetres. The only thing is, I forgot the poles. Okay, so I've changed things around to suit my needs, but I'm going to stay here and still enjoy the evening sleeping out and doing this stealth camp. So stay tuned. So from the path, guys, you can't even see this. This is good. So that's my DD 3x3. And do the way I want it. Got my blanket there, got a couple of jumpers, got a sleeping bag in there, got my gas, I've got some kind of lantern, you know, for scented light. I should have brought that as well. St Andrew's Cross, and there's the Fokker Tammy. I should got a big blue bag at the bottom there. Got my roll mat. Of course, that mat there, the green one, is actually for the camp bed. Okay, like I say, I messed up. I've got a sleeping bag in there, all that kind of good stuff, so that'll keep me warm. And I've got a seat across there. So, there's the food on the go, guys. Just make sure that everything's okay. It's 7:30. Just have that down low. It actually starts getting dark about 10 o'clock or so. So, yeah, 9:30, quarter to 10ish. So, as you can see, the sun's going down. As of recent and everything, guys, I've been going out and sorting bits and bobs. Just doing things outside, cooking wise, anything like that. Just experimenting, so it's been good fun. So I'll show you some of the pictures of that. Perfect. So guys, I'm not going to annoy you eating this stuff. Tasty. As I say, it's stealthy. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna get tucked into that, and I'll see you in a bit. Beautiful weather. Guys, if you've ever forgot any of your stuff and like that, you know, it depends on what it is, so your Gucci gear and everything like that. Cordage, absolutely great. There's all guitar string. This actual roots, okay, keep it for another day. Guys, when I was in Afghanistan, I actually got my hands on this. This is from the American Army, okay, the Operation Care Package. And yeah, I put it to use, and whole washing kit and everything like that in there, shaving and all that kind of stuff. It's actually a good bit of kit. Guys, that's the west, that's the sun going down. Absolutely beautiful. It's a nice little breeze. It's 9 o'clock, just gone past 9 o'clock in the evening. Birds are singing, getting ready for their bed. And I'm looking at this, and I'm all ready to hunker down. Guys, I'm in my scratcher. I've thoroughly enjoyed this so far. Enjoyed the food and everything. Starting to settle down now. Yeah, unfortunately I forgot the bolts to the actual camcord. These things happen. Yeah, should have double checked before I left the house. There's always a next time. Just watching my little fire for a wee bit. It's actually 10 to 11 just now. But I've enjoyed it. So I'll see you in the morning. Alright. Good morning, guys. It's breezy. Oh, it's just getting breezy. The birds are chirping. It's about 5 o'clock. It's been a comfortable sleep and everything like that. It's beautiful listening to that, honestly. But this is lovely, honestly. Well guys, been up for about an hour. I've actually wanted to play with this differently, practice with it. So as the water is boiling for coffee to get me going for the day. See, got a banana here. I'll do the preparation. It's not complicated. All I'm doing is porridge. I always use water anyway. And I'm going to slice up some banana, okay, and test it with the actual porridge. So, yeah. There. Nothing. So the birds. rather than rushing home. Normally I just take my time, and yeah, just really take my time. Just wanted to set this up differently, practice with it, and just enjoy this. Oh, what a beautiful evening. The water's on the boil. Banana with the actual porridge. Something different, guys. And the meal last night, I enjoyed it. Beautiful. There's an important thing. There's a Scottish flag there. It's not flying yet, but you know. But absolutely great. Well, can't beat this. Bit camping. Boiling in there. Get that in there. More water in there. I don't care how it's thinged, but you know. Okay, so I need more water in that, guys. So there you are. It's nice mixed, bit of banana and all that. Actually pretty tasty. So I'm going to enjoy that. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, a bit of camping. I thoroughly enjoyed being here, setting everything up, even though I made a mistake with the actual camp cot, camp bed. Okay, so when I get back to the house, I'll get everything put away and everything like that, so it's ready for the next time. And so till next time, guys, you take care, and all the best.